darkness. There are places on this planet that have never seen sunlight. Places where the pressure alone would crush a submarine like paper. We sent cameras into the deepest places on Earth, into places no human was ever meant to reach. What they found down there has never been fully explained, and some of it has never been released. The Mariana Trench, 11 kilometers below the surface of the Pacific Ocean. The deepest place on Earth. If you placed Mount Everest at the bottom, it would still be completely submerged. The pressure down there is 8 tons per square inch. In 2012, a research team deployed acoustic sensors in the Challenger Deep. For 17 minutes, nothing. Then something moved below them. Not current, not geological activity. The sensors identified it as biological. They pulled them up immediately. 3 came back crushed. This is the Great Blue Hole, 300 meters wide, off the coast of Belize. From the surface, it looks like paradise. Below 30 meters, the light disappears completely. Below 90 meters, there is a layer of hydrogen sulfide, a toxic cloud that covers whatever is at the bottom. Nobody has ever seen past it. In 2019, a live-streamed expedition discovered the skeletons of 2 divers inside the hole. The cameras they were wearing had been completely destroyed. The official report blamed disorientation, but the casings weren't cracked from pressure. They were broken from the outside. Something on the inside of the hole did that. Sistema Sac Acton, Yucatan, Mexico. The longest underwater cave system ever discovered. 360 kilometers, mapped. The rest, nobody has been able to reach. The Maya believed these caves were the literal entrance to the underworld. They called it Xibalba. They sacrificed people here, not to gods, to whatever was already living inside. In 2018, explorers sent a camera into a passage that had never been mapped. The camera went offline after 40 seconds. What it recorded before that has never been released to the public. Between Japan and the Philippines, there is a stretch of ocean the Japanese have feared for centuries. They call it Mano Umi, the Devil's Sea. Between 1952 and 1954, 9 ships vanished in this area. No distress signals, no wreckage, no survivors, no explanation. They were simply gone. The Japanese government sent a research vessel with 100 men on board to investigate the disappearances. That vessel also disappeared. 100 men. No wreckage, no signal, nothing. As if the ocean simply swallowed them whole. We have explored less than 20% of our own ocean. The things that live in the other 80% have never needed us to find them. They have always known exactly where we are. They are still down there, waiting.